If you also want to learn English language but you don't have so much time to learn, you don't have so much time to write it down on a notebook, any writing, and you don't have so much time to learn vocabularies, you don't have so much time to watch English videos, you don't have so much time to watch cartoon in English language, you don't have so much time to read newspaper in English language, you don't have so much time to read English books. So how can you learn English language? How can you improve your English language in less time? Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about how many steps are there to improve our English language. How can we improve our English language in a very less time? So without wasting time, let's get started. So there are 3 steps you have to follow to learn English language. Okay, so the very first step is listening English stories. Okay, if you listen every single day of a single story, only one story, okay, every day, so you can improve your English language day by day. If you listen it, so you can you can improve your English language. Okay, and the second one is speaking. I will be talking about it, how can you speak. Okay, and the third one is called we can say watching English videos. Okay, if you have time, if you can, okay, if you really want to learn English language, so you can do. Okay, many people say like there are four steps to learn English language. Write it down, any writing, and just reading newspapers, and like reading, writing, and speaking, and listening English language. Okay, these are steps to improve our English language. But if you don't have so much time, so how can you do that? Okay, so that is why I'm just using only 3 steps to improve your English language. Even you can you can learn it by using every single day. Have you heard about that is called saying? Okay, there is a famous saying, and that is drop by drop fills the pot. Okay, so through this thing you can improve your English language. Okay, so the very first thing is you have to do, that is listening English stories. Okay, every day you have to listen only single story every day. Just give yourself at least 20 minutes. Okay, and even it is up to you actually how long you can watch. Okay, it is very first step. Okay, you have to follow, you have to just listen English stories, and you can improve your English language. You can learn so many things. If you don't have knowledge about tenses, doesn't matter. Okay, you can learn, still you can learn. Okay, and the second one is speaking. So how can we speak English language? Because we don't have any environment, we don't have someone to teach us for practice as well. No one is there. Okay, so how can you learn, how can you speak? Okay, so there are many types of applications are available on Google or Play Store, wherever you can. From where I never used any types of application. I myself an application, so that is why I never ever used any application, because I can speak with myself. So that is I don't know from where this thing came inside of me. I don't know about it. So I can speak with myself. Okay, there is no problem. If there is no one, so I can speak with myself. So the second step you have to follow, that is speaking. So you can speak any by installing any app, any application. There are many types of applications are available on as you are also aware about it. So you can use any types of application. Okay, the third one is called listening English videos. Okay, you can watch English videos every day. If you watch every day only single English video, okay, and if you learn from it some vocabularies, if you write it down it on a paper, so after some time, after listening it day by day, your English will be improved. Your English will be improved, and after some time you will be able to speak English language, right? So if you follow these 3 steps, you can improve your English language. So my friend, do not waste your time. Okay, utilize your time. Even we spoil our time while social media, by watching reels, by watching meaningless content. Okay, make good use of our time. So just use your time, I mean, good way. Okay, just use your time in a positive way, so that you could improve yourself, so that you could, I mean, learn from it, so that you could make yourself knowledgeable, so that you could make yourself confident. Okay, so just learn and learn every day. So I think it is enough for today. Thank you for watching.